Well, we finished the doghouse up here, which has the pulley, as you can kind of see it. There's the ridge pole runs about 30 feet that way, and that's what it's attached to. And the pulley that's up there, they would have used to pull the grain up. You would just pretty much pull it up and then pull the sack in, whichever floor you're going to be on. There is another door which actually gets cut in right above it that we didn't get in yet, but that gets put right there, and then that would put that pulley there. That one as well is the same way. The only thing is that it's missing the pulley, which I have to try and come up with a pulley to put in there, because I would like to hang ropes so that way it would be authentic and would work. This is the ridge pole that I was talking about, which actually all the rafters sit on, but it also sticks out outside where the pulley is attached. So the pulley out there is actually attached to a piece of wood, which is pegged into this guy, like a mortise and tenon. And then the pulley is in between it, which actually has a wooden peg in it. I personally wouldn't trust it at the moment unless you replaced it, being it's probably a 100-year-old wooden peg. I probably am going to replace it before, so that way we can actually put stuff on and pull it up, because it'd be kind of cool to play with. This is the inside pulley, where the rope would have gone through here and out to the other pulley. This is the door I was talking about that needs to be cut, that we didn't do yet. But then the rope would have come in, which in other mills there was a water wheel power thing that would actually act as a pulley system. And this one, I don't believe had that, because I don't see where there was any pulleys hooked to the water wheel that would have activated that. So I think this was actually just a hand-drawn, not positive, but I don't see any evidence of a water-powered pulley system.